Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sliding shower doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sunny Shower Bathtub Door Double Glass. You may don't like your bathroom if the bathtub door is not installed right, or does not fit the specific layout. Well, no worries at all. Sunny Shower Bathtub Door has the perfect and all-in-one solution for that. This frameless door is made with ANSI certified tempered glass, while it is 1/4 inch thick, and it makes sure that the water doesn't leak. The door is coupled with strong, nice and sturdy aluminum guide rails, which makes sure about its strength quality. The door is 60 in width, 62 inch in height, and 3x8 inch in thickness. The classic look is incorporated with contemporary detailing through the streamlined layout. The chrome finish over the aluminum guide rails makes your heart fall even more. You can install this door on your preferable side with ease, and you can also trim and adjust the anodized aluminum guide rails according to your will. It will fit the same space of your bathroom. You can find a towel bar included for convenience and ease. This is a perfect inclusion that bonds up with its timeless appeal. At number 4, we have the DreamLine Visions Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door. Another DreamLine shower sliding door that is worth buying is the DreamLine Visions. This modern yet minimalist will fit your aesthetic like no other. This stands out from all the others because this is not only frameless, but also headerless, and this will provide you with an unobstructed aesthetic in your shower. It measures 56 to 60 inches, also adjustable, in width and 72 inches in height. The walk-in opening is 22/7/8. 26/7/8 inch. Like it is the perfect shower to walk in before or after a hectic and long day. The brushed nickel gives a subtle, minimalistic look that makes it look upscale, glamorous and chic. It is also incorporated with the all-time signature DreamLine ClearMax technology that is meant to last for years after years. The door is non-reversible, but 2 sliding center doors are flanked. Yet it ensures stability for both of the glass panels. The L-bar support bracket and the innovative U-channel design approve hassle-free installation you'll love. At number 3, we have the DreamLine SHDR 1/6076009 Encore Bypass Sliding Shower Door. This is one of the best sliding glass shower doors in which customers have always ranked the best. That is the DreamLine Encore. This is direct-to-stud installation. A modern and frameless shower sliding door can easily become the focal point of your bathroom. It is nearly maintenance-free and also provides you with applause-worthy design. The exclusive ClearMax glass technology prohibits the glass from staining, as well as provides you with superior protection. The door is designed 56 inches to 60 inches in width, can be adjusted to your preference, and 76 inches in height. This technology is strategically designed to prevent spots, stains, and harsh buildups. It upkeeps the breeze. The door also features bypass entry, so you can enter the shower from left or either right. It's up to you. This shower can fit into any bathroom. Whether it is small or big, the door is always adjustable according to your will. It is durable for fibered glass and reinforced acrylic high gloss. It will transform your bathroom into a spa-like sanctuary with its shower column, foldable seat, and temperature control function. At number 2, we have the WoodBridge Frameless 3-Tile Sliding Shower Door. This door has the extravagant modern design, with clean, smooth look and praise with changed styles like current, specialist, customary, and so on. This frameless sliding shower door design features 6 60s width, which is customizable, x 7x6 in height. The entryway stroll is 6'1", with a fixed board of 8 3-wire. The premium clear glass is 3x8 thick tempered security glass, which is ANSI insured The finish has been done with brushed nickel treated steel finish. The door is reversible and compatible with right or left entryway opening establishment. The rollers are large and strong tempered steel rollers, making smooth and easy sliding. Calm entryway activity. Top rail uphold guarantees divider securing and fortifies divider solidness. The tempered steel construction design is of high quality hardened steel equipment that won't rust, chip or scratch off. And finally, at number 1, we have the WoodBridge frameless sliding shower, 56/60 width. I know we have mentioned the same sliding shower door before, but it is more prominent in size. Also, some features of this are more convenient than the previous one. We can assure you about its quality, elegance and value. And the matte black colour will be the attention of your bathroom. It features a frameless glass design, 56 inches to 60 inches in width, can be adjusted to your preference, and 76 inches in height. It makes the perfect door. The tempered safety glass is reversible for left and right door opening. The construction is so well built that it will not rust, chip or scratch off. We can guarantee it for a lifetime. For applying the safety film, it is successfully able to hold all the teeny tiny bits of fragments when it breaks. It will allow easy disposal and ensure safety precautions. The wall mount brackets allow 13mm built-in adjustability for the structural rail. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.